The Serengeti in Tanzania. I've made over 50 treks to this special corner of the world. Its savage beauty is timeless. I can't think of any other place on Earth with such a staggering volume and variety of wildlife found in the great wide open. But amongst all this beauty, there is also tragedy. That's why I'm here, to witness a struggle regarded as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world.
This is incredible. One of nature's most magnificent scenes. Nothing but wildebeest. They're all amassing here to eventually cross that river right down there.
Numbering over 2 million, the wildebeest are the most abundant big game species in Africa.
Wildebeest are in constant movement.
Each year, they will travel over 1,000 kilometers circling the Serengeti in search of green grass, in what is simply called the Great Migration. Needless to say, a herd of 1 million+ animals doesn't sneak past many predators. Wildebeest herds are in constant danger. The path of the Great Migration is littered with carcasses. There are years when 250,000 animals don't complete the journey. And the most dangerous spot in this journey is right here, the Mara River.
The drama begins.
As terrifying as the crossing seems, survival is not a choice, it's an addiction. All it takes is one animal to lead the charge. Then all hell breaks loose. Chaos is everywhere to see thousands upon thousands of wildebeest frantically launching themselves into a river they know could kill them. Makes this the most intense spectacle I have ever seen. Often it's the crush of the stampede that creates the most carnage. The river and predators claim their victims. In bad years, over 10,000 wildebeest will die in one day.
After I witness something like that, it just floods me full of satisfaction, but it leaves me with an intense feeling of emotion. It was very powerful.